What the Marketing Association is doing right now is leveling up all the talent that's in Calgary, and we need to work together because we've got an absolutely talented pool, and we need to keep leveling up and raising each other.
Connect with cool people and to be inspired by different ideas, right? It's the same reason why I like to read books. You read it for, one is for the content, but the other is for the ideas that it inspires, for the moves that you make off of whatever it tells you.
You get to meet great people in the industry. You get to meet people with like years and years of experience. You get to connect with them on a personal level.
I've been attending the Calgary Marketing Association events for several years now, and I walk away with some of the best information. It's very thought-provoking. It's, thinking way into the future, which is that second level thinking that we need to be. It's not about today, it's about planning for the future, and that's why I love attending these events and hearing what these individuals in Calgary have to offer. It's fabulous.
Great atmosphere, great people, and great information. Everyone's in the industry, the marketing industry, and work together and to create a better marketing economy.
I think people should attend events with CMA just because it's a space for inspiration. Generally speaking, marketers, we can kind of silo ourselves in our work, and this is just a space to connect with other individuals and learn ideas and really get a front row seat to thought leadership in our province, honestly.
When we're sharing all our expertise and our knowledge, we're just building better marketers.